In this video, I will be showing you how to make text outline in Canva. Let's get started. From the home screen, I'll go ahead and click on Custom Size and select this 8.5 by 11-inch layout for my project. Once the new design opens, I'll head over to the left sidebar and click on the Text tab. I'll click Add a text box to get started, and then I'm going to type the word Hello. Now I want to change the font, so I'll click the Font drop-down and scroll down to select Anton. To make it easier to see, I'll grab the corner and drag it out to make the text much larger, then move it to the center. With the text selected, I'll click on Effects in the top menu and then select the Outline option. I'll click on the color box here to change the outline color to pink. Next, I'll adjust the thickness slider to about 30. Then, I'll click on the spacing icon to increase the letter spacing and give the outline more room. Finally, I'll just do a quick resize and center the text on the page.